हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अपने इस टॉपिक में दैट हाउ वी कैन ऐड सिग्नेचर इन आवर जीमेल अकाउंट. So it's very simple that firstly we have to just log in our Gmail account. So just click on the Gmail and just log in the Gmail account, okay? And I'm just telling you the settings, like where you have to go and where you can change your like signature, or you can just add your signature if you didn't add. So firstly, just click on the setting in the right hand corner. Just click on it, and there's an option for see all settings. So once we click on it, so it will redirect us in all the settings. So in a general tab, if we scroll down a little bit, so we can check that there's an option for signature. Okay, and it mentioned that there's no signature mentioned. Okay, I just delete it. I created before, but for telling you that I just delete it. So you will see this kind of setting there. Okay, so once we click on a create one, it will we have to provide a name, that for which name that we wanna add the signature. So my name is Shekhar, so I'm just adding a Shekhar signature. So create it. Okay, and there's a description box where we can add any name, number, whatever the we have to add here. So you can just mention here that the name, my mobile number. It's an example only. My email. Okay, like this we can add many things like LinkedIn account, and we can just hyperlink as well. And there's a lots of things that we can do. Okay, so whatever the information we have to provide in a signature, just add on this. Okay, and go down below, and there's an option for save changes. So if you click on it, so it will save the settings. Okay, but if we go to the like compose box, it will not show any signature here, because we didn't like enable some other settings as well to appear on this signature in our email. So firstly, again we can go for the settings, see all settings here, go just down below, and here's my signature. So if you go through it, there's an option for new emails users, no signature selected, so we have to select our signature. And for reply and the forward use, we have to again select for our signature. So if we just save changes, then it will be appear in our signature box, like in every email when we compose new, it will show in my below that. So this is very like simple setting to add a we can say the signature in our emails.